Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Adhikari, Area State 301 instructor for this spring semester 2020. Right now, I am talking from my home office. As you are aware that, following the advice of the Governor and the Ohio Department of Health, Miami University has decided to complete the remainder of the semester through remote instruction. With this evolving situation, I have to adjust my office hours. Starting Monday, March 16, I will be holding virtual office hours primarily using Cisco Webex. I will hold office hours on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. You may have been taking this course from different parts of the country or even different parts of the world, but we will follow the Eastern time zone for this course. The easiest way to make an appointment is using a scheduler on Cisco Webex. I will be taking you through the scheduler site. This is the student view of the Canvas homepage. This is the navigation panel. First, you have to click on Cisco Webex right here. Then click on Office Hours. These are the available slots for you. You can choose one of the available time slots depending on your need. Let me choose one of them. After choosing an appropriate time slot, click on Confirm Meeting. You will then get a confirmation email with a link to connect to me. Please make an appointment ahead of time so that I will not miss your appointments. Using this tool, we can talk, video chat, and even share a screen. Alternately, you can email me to make an appointment. We can also use Google Hangouts for a video conference. However, you have to use a Miami email account to use Google Hangouts. So here is my email. So what you have to do, from your email account, you have to click on this plus sign and type in my email ID so that we can talk. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have a good day.